friends, welcome to Shristi's classes. In this video, we are going to learn about the moon. Students, what are the two things that are visible in the night sky? These are moon and stars. Have you ever thought, why are we able to see moon but not the other planets? This happens because the moon is very close to the earth, whereas other planets are very far in the space. Students, do you know what is a satellite? Let me tell you. The satellite is an object that revolves around a planet, and the moon is a satellite. The moon is Earth's natural satellite, and it is the closest neighbor of the earth in space. You must have seen the shining moon at night, right? But do you know, moon doesn't have its own light. Then how the moon shines so bright? Let me tell you. The moon is a non-luminous object. Non-luminous means the object that doesn't have its own light. So as you know, moon doesn't have its own light, but moon shines with the reflection of sunlight. When sunlight falls on its surface, the moon shines. So if there is no sun in the space, you will not be able to see the moon. But the fun fact about moon is that even if it's a non-luminous object, it is still counted as the second brightest object in the sky after sun. You must have seen the sun and the moon having same size in the sky, right? But do you know, sun is way more bigger than the moon. But how they both appear in the same size if sun is bigger? It happens because the sun is very far from the earth, but the moon is closer. Now, let's learn about moon surface. Students, do you think moon also has water like we have in our earth? The answer is no. There is no liquid water available on the moon, but it has some water in the form of ice. Even though moon doesn't have water, but it still have some interesting features. Like moon is made of rocks and dust, and it also has high mountains, lava plains, volcanoes and craters. Do you know what are craters? Craters are deep hole in the surface made by any explosion. Craters are formed due to the collision of meteoroids. Do you know what are meteoroids? The meteoroids are small pieces of rocks or iron that orbit around the sun just like planets. We also call meteoroids as space rocks. So when a meteoroid hits the moon's surface, it forms craters. Now let's discuss about the condition on the moon. The condition on the moon is different than Earth. There is no atmosphere available on the moon, due to which the sky always appears dark. Due to the absence of atmosphere, moon cannot block the heat of the sun, so during the day temperature rises more than 100 degrees Celsius on moon. But as you know, moon has no atmosphere to hold the sun's heat, so at night the temperature drops to approx minus 150 degrees Celsius. The moon has about 1/6 gravity that on the earth. So if your weight is 60 kg on earth, then you would weigh only 10 kg on moon. And due to less gravity, you can jump 6 times higher on the moon. Students, do you know? Astronauts carry special radio devices to talk on the moon. Why do they carry these devices? It is because there is no air available on the moon and sound waves travels through air only. So if two people talk on the moon without using these devices, they will not be able to hear each other. This is why they carry these devices. Now, let's discuss about the landings on the moon. Landing on the moon means the arrival of a spacecraft on the surface of the moon. The first spacecraft to land on the moon was Apollo 11. It carried 3 American astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. Students, do you know Neil Armstrong was the first human to set his foot on the moon? This helped us to know more about our nearest neighbor in the space.
15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. We have a liftoff. Liftoff on Apollo 11. Shadow. 4 forward, drift into the right a little. 30 seconds forward, drift. Contact light. Okay, engine stop. Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground.
Armstrong is on the moon. Neil Armstrong, 38-year-old American, standing on the surface of the moon. On this July 20th, 1969.
That's one small step for man.
Students, let's summarize what we have learned today. We have learned the moon is Earth's only natural satellite. The moon appears bright because it reflects the light of the sun. The moon has many features like high mountains, lava plains, and craters. The moon has no atmosphere, due to which there is no sound transmission on the moon. The moon's gravitational force is only 1/6 of Earth's gravity. And here are some interesting questions on this topic. Why do objects weigh less on the moon than on the Earth? Other question is, why do astronauts carry special radio devices to talk on the moon? I am waiting for your answers in the comment section of this video. So today we have learned about the moon. You can ask any question about this topic in the comment section. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get updated about our videos. Thank you.